This video explains how to enable the option None or All of the Above and use it in question creations. Multiple and single choice tests are popular assessment tools used to test the knowledge of students and professionals. YouTestMe, GetCertified allows you to include options, all of the above and none. You can enable this option while creating a question or include it afterward. Navigate to Tests in the main menu and then to Question Pools. Go to the Questions panel, click the Add New button, and enter the question text and answers. To include none or all of the above options, click the arrow within the Add Answer button. Select the All of the Above option if you want to add it as the offered answer. Select the None of the Above option if you want to add it as the offered answer. If some of those options represent the correct answer, check their box. One of the typical scenarios is as follows. All the answers are correct in the multiple choice questions, and an all of the above option is also included. As GetCertified supports different scoring methods, you can define the particular weight for each combination of answers. The more answers candidates select, the more points they will achieve. And for all of the above options, set the maximum points.